Which sourdough do you want?
Please. Please.
Want to do the one with the white?
Okay.
Or do you want to do the special with the...
It doesn't matter to me. They both look good. They both look very good.
Are you coming?
Oh gosh, those look good too. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Would you like any coffee, babe?
What?
Any coffee? Oh, spices. Hello. Chili de árbol. You probably like this. Yeah, those are huge. Hola. Paella, do you want some? Looks really good.
Funny is rice. The rice is cooked with saffron and white wine. And includes brain, pork, chicken, and chicken.
Yum. Okay, that one. Thank you. I'll have a bite of his. Thank you very much.
I say.
Thank you. You too.
Le dije, o sea,
Where are we going? We gonna walk along here? We go just walk. I mean, I guess we don't need any of this stuff. Oh, but we need Pepe's.
Yeah, that place used to be good too, though.
Uh-huh. Well, you want to go?
That's not a single taco stop.
No, uh-uh.
I can't imagine wearing tight shorts. The guy don't skin tight shorts.
I like that we're on a new street. We haven't been on this street before.
Yes.
It seems like we've been walking the same.
Yeah.
Same roads.
At this point in my walk, even I was like, wait, I ended up by the urban.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow.
I was like, wait, I've been here.
Yeah.
I've seen everything.
Oh, I remember we were over here before. Stop it.
Did you hear me?
Yes. Oh, look at this place. Oh yeah, we walked through here when we came down from the crazy windy road with our coffees and orange juice.
This place.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty. Margarita time. Where do you want to keep walking?
We'll go that way.
Okay.
This way. This way's kind of cool.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. What's up?
Wow.
What's going on through here?
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cool looking. Starbucks. I don't think I.
See.
Thank you. Oh, that's a cool looking place. Huh.
Oh yeah. This is that Joe.
Oh, Joe Jack's Fish Shack. Yeah?
This place was on YouTube. We
Yeah.
watched a video about it. Oh yeah, that's right. I guess we could eat one of these places. I'm gonna go get taco
I mean,
cart,
we can
but
look at taco cart. I mean, we can come. I don't know.
people are nice, I guess. To eat.
I know.
Oh, this is where it's at right here.
This way or? Oh, I don't know.
Up in here.
Oh, okay. Should we put our masks on?
Tacos, quesadillas. Hay pollo, asada, adobada, chorizo. Hay beef, pork, chicken.
Let's do what do you know, pork?
Oh, here we go.
Tacos, quesadillas, tortas, burritos.
What's your favorite?
Yeah?
Favorite?
Choose favorito.
Burrito?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Choose favorito.
Beef.
Beef?
Yeah.
Okay. Trace beef.
Sure.
Trace beef.
Okay. One. Okay. Everything, onions, cabbage, beans, cilantro,
Sí,
cheese.
sí,
Yeah?
sí, sí,
Yep.
sí, sí.
Okay. Here to go.
To go. Right, to go.
Sure.
Over here.
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna eat them now.
All
We
right.
got these burritos instead of tacos. We're gonna go eat more though. We're not done here. Are you sure?
Siempre me hace un desmadre.
Hola.